In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the zoom level in Google Docs. Whether you're giving a presentation or simply need to take a closer look at those tiny details in your document, knowing how to change your zoom level can be a game changer for productivity and comfort. So let's dive right in and make your Google Docs experience more tailored to your needs. To get started, you'll want to have your Google Doc open and ready. Once you're there, let's direct our attention to the toolbar located at the very top of the page. This toolbar is your command center for various tools and options that can help enhance and customize your document. We'll zero in on the toolbar to find the feature we're looking for. Now, as part of this task, locate the Zoom drop-down menu. Generally speaking, this menu displays 100% by default, indicating the document is set to normal size. It's usually positioned between the font size and the bold option, visually cued by a small arrow pointing downwards. Finding it can sometimes be tricky if you're not used to it, but once you spot it, you'll become quite used to it for future reference. Once you've located the Zoom drop-down menu, it's time to make your selection. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal a list of different zoom levels. From here, things get a bit customizable. You'll be greeted with options like 50%, 75, 125 or 150, and potentially more, depending on your screen's capabilities. This is where personal preference and your specific needs come into play. Are you working on something that requires a whole document overview or need to fit more content on your screen? In those cases, selecting a lower percentage, like 50% or 75%, will help. However, if you're focusing on something detailed, or maybe your eyesight prefers larger text, bumping up the zoom level to 125% or 150% could be beneficial. Simply click the zoom level that best fits your needs, and the document will immediately adjust to the new scale. You'll see your content resize in real time, which is especially handy for quick adjustments during live editing sessions or presentations. Taking full advantage of the Zoom feature can significantly enhance the way you interact with your documents, allowing for a much more comfortable and efficient workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the zoom levels in Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make a world of difference in how you view and edit your work. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tip helps you work smarter in the future.